Okay, good afternoon, students. So, in our yesterday's class, we saw about addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of on measurement. Okay. So now, based on that, first we are going to see the word sums. How to do the word sums based on these operations by using measurement. Okay. So for example, if we take one story sum, one word sum here, Akash traveled 1224 kilometer 327 meter. Okay, he traveled 1224 kilometer, and then Ruhi traveled 924 kilometer and 28 meter, and Parul traveled 2498 kilometer and 370 meter. So here kilometer and meter is given. Okay, so kilometer is there, which comes under uh, standard unit meter. That means length. Okay, so it is a kilometer. It is a distance. So we have to find the total distance traveled by all three. So total distance means what we have to do here? Which operation we have to do? Addition. Addition. Yes. So now you understood that here we have to do addition. But the statements are important here. Here they have given the distance traveled, how much Akash has traveled, how much Parul has traveled, and how much distance Ruhi has traveled. So seeing the question, we have to frame the statement. So here distance traveled is there means we have to write solution as distance traveled by Akash. Yes. Same by Akash how much? In kilometer and meter it is given. So 1224 kilometer 327 meter. Next is Ruhi. So by Ruhi, we can write it this together because here all three here distance traveled is there. So Ruhi traveled 924
kilometer
and
28 meter.
So here you can see this is 1200 and here 924. So I have left here thousands place. Here also 100 place. Yes. Next. Parul travel. Distance traveled by Parul. Parul is how much?
2498 kilometer.
Yes. And meter?
370 meter.
So 370. Now we have to find total distance means total. Total is added. So we should add. Yes. Then we have to add it. Add 7 plus 8.
15.
Then 7 plus 2. 9. 9 plus 2. 12 plus 1. 12. Yes. Then 7. Now this meter calculation over. Now here kilometer. 16. Then 9 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. 14. Yes. 16. Yes. So we got here. So total distance traveled by them. Yes. Yes. So total distance traveled by Akash, Puri and Bharti is 4,646 kilometer, 725 meter. Okay, so like this we have to first read the word sum and see which operation we have to use, and then we have to frame the statements and we have to solve it. Okay, so each step has marks, so you have to do properly stepwise. Now see next one. Max fills 7 bottles of 500 ml. What?
Ma'am, we should solve that.
Yes, you can solve yourself also this. Understand it first.
Yes, ma'am.
Max filled 7 bottles of 500 ml capacity with water. So 7 bottles are filled by 500 ml of water. Okay, so here milliliter water is given. So how much water does all bottles contain? Yes. So here all bottles contains how much ml? So what you have to do here? Which operation? Multiply or divide? Multiply. Why? Because we have to find one to many. When we have to find many, we have to multiply. Okay. Yes. So here ml is given. So what statement you can use? ml is given means here they have given liquid. So 7 bottles of 500 ml water is filled. So how much water do all bottles contains?
5.
So what statement can we use for liquid? We have to find volume of water or we have to find the number of bottles. What we have to do?
Ma'am, volume of
So volume of water filled in one bottle is how much? 500 ml. We have to find volume of water filled in 7 bottles. So one bottle is given. Yes. So 500 ml multiply with 7. So 500 multiply with 7, how much?
3,500.
So 3,500 ml. So we can convert it this into liter. Ml is given here, liter we can convert. Yes. 3 liter 500 ml. Okay, 3 liter 500 ml. Okay, so how much water? Total how much water? We can Max has filled in 7 bottles. 500 3 liter 500 ml. Okay. Yes. So understood how to do the word sums?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So based on same based on other two operations, the next two word sums are there. So those two you have to do. You have to try and do.
Then this is like two word problem in notebook.
These four are there. All four you have to solve. You have to practice. Now just only tell me, see what you have to do, which operation. These two you have to do yourself. So tell me, Meera.
Third one we have to do addition.
Addition or that only. First read it carefully and see. Meera bought You read yourself and tell correctly which operation we have to use. Read it.
Ma'am, this is subtract.
Yes, we have to subtract means what is given here? Total length of cloth is given and she gave 104 meter 17 centimeter to Shweta and 27 meter 54 centimeter to Kushi. Means from the total length of cloth Meera had cut and she gave some part to Kushi and some part to Shweta. So how much part is remaining? How much length of cloth is left? So left means what you have to do?
Subtract.
Subtraction. Yes. So this you have to do yourself. Now see next one. Ron had 15 points. First read it carefully and understand and then tell. Don't tell directly. See here. Ron had 15.435 kg of sweets. Total 15.435 kg sweets. She distributed it among 5 friends. So 15, yes, 15.435 kg of sweets distributed among 5 friends. So distributed means divided. So what do you have to do here? Each friend will get how much? So
Divide.
yes, so we have to divide and do. Okay, so you will do this.
Yes,
So questions are
ma'am.
there. Okay, so here we complete measurement operation on measurement. Okay, so now we are going to see our next topic which is new to you, that is average. Okay, what we are going to see now? Average. So first we'll see. See for sometime what will happen? They'll tell you you have heard this word average. They'll tell find the average of your marks or what is the average in cricket and all you might have heard average run rate of a match or average means the bowling run rate of a bowler or batsman's batting run rate. So, what is the average and all? You might have heard this word average.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you have heard.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
what is this average? Average is the number. It is a number which gives the middle value or the central value. Okay, what is average? Average is a number which gives the middle value. Understood? What is the meaning of average? Average is a number which gives the central value, which is middle value of any thing. Means for example, marks. Marks of total marks, how much you have got each subject. So the what will be the middle value? Middle average. So the middle value, what we find, that is average. Like for percentage out of 100, out of total it is. But average is what? We have to find the middle value, central value. What? Meaning of average?
Yes, what? Yes.
Yes.
What's
So,
the central value? Central value, ma'am.
yes. But we have to keep in mind that whenever we are finding average, the quantity should be same, like units. If you are taking kilometer, all should be in kilometer. If you are taking marks, all should be in marks or meter or other hectometer or gram or liter. It should be in one unit only. You can't find an average which has different units. Okay, so same quantities, same units should be there. Then only you can find a average of anything. Okay, so there is one formula to find the average. By using that formula only, we have to find the average. First, you tell me you understood the meaning of average.
Yes, ma'am.
Average means the
Yes,
central
ma'am.
value, the middle value. Whatever, now for example, prime numbers. We know you have learned prime numbers. Yes? We know or whole numbers. We know whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are 5 whole numbers. Yes? Or we'll take natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 natural numbers. Yes? Counting numbers, natural numbers. What is the average of this if they will ask? If it is asked, what is the average? What is the center of these 5 natural numbers?
And three. And three.
Yes, by seeing this, you can find out that 3 is there. But there is one method. Okay, there is one formula. This smaller it is there.
It is one
Smaller number you can find easily.
example.
But if bigger it is given, bigger numbers, many numbers are there, then how to find the average? Okay, so for that there one formula is there. That average of any number, average is equal to sum of all the quantities, whichever quantities are given. Now here natural number are there. So sum of natural numbers, their sum, addition. Sum of the quantities divided by number of quantities. Now here, how many are there? 5 natural numbers. So 5 natural numbers.
15 total.
Here 5. So like that, we will do this only, Anashu. Formula to find average is sum of the given quantities divided by number. How many they have given. Now, these are 5 natural numbers. So, we have to find sum. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Divided by how many numbers are there? 5. We have to add this. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 10, 10 plus 5, 15. 15 divided by 15 divided by 5 is 3. Yes. So you can see when you saw these natural numbers, you told that the middle value is 3. Yes. We got the correct answer by using the formula also. Yes. So this is like this we have to find the average. Now these smaller numbers are there, we can see and tell easily. But sometimes here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers are given. But sometimes if they'll give 6, how will you find the middle number? 3 and 4 both comes in the middle. Yes. So for such numbers, such quantities, we can use this formula and we can find the middle value. It will come in between 3 and 4. Okay, middle. Yes, 3.5 it will come. Means average, whenever average we have to find, that means the middle central number or central middle number or central number, when we have to find middle value or central value, that time we have to use this formula. Average is equal to total sum. Whatever quantities are given, you have to add divided by number. Understood? Yes. So by using this, we will see some examples. Yes.
Ma'am, in average only we have to add the count. We should not subtract.
No, only add only. Formula for average is this. Like we are having perimeter formula and area formula. Exact those formulas only are there. So same like that, average has a proper formula. Sum of the quantities divided by number. Okay, so that you have to add only. Add and divide.
Yes. And can you one more example?
Okay, so see here. Now see exercise 9.5. We are having some examples. By using this average formula, we will solve this. Okay. See here. First one you see they have given fill in the blanks items. A is what? 5, 15, 35, 25, 45, 95. Okay, so they have given these numbers. We have to find the average of these numbers. Average means the middle value. Now here how many numbers are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are given. So if 5 are there, we can see and find. But here you can see 6 are there. What we have to do? Yes, these are different. They are not one after the other, not consecutive. These natural numbers were one after the other. So easily you told 3 is the average, middle value. But these numbers are different. They are having difference of 10 in between them. That is, yes, here 10 difference is there, here 20. Like that, they are different. They are different numbers. So, what we have to do? We have to find the middle value of these numbers. So, what we have to do? We have to take the formula average is equal to sum of the numbers, sum of these quantities divided by number. Into number. So, what you have to do? 5 plus 15 plus 31 95 divided by how many there are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now add it all. We have to add 5 plus yes 95, 45, 25, 35, 15 and 5. Add them. 10. See 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Then 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 4, 16 plus 2, 18 plus 3, 21 plus 1, yes, 220 divide by 6. Now we have to divide it. 220. Mama, these are Mama, this is following. Mama, 4. Back 4. That is 1. 6 6 are 36. Mama, 36. Again, now we have to take the point here. Then we can put a 0. I'll divide here. Yes, ma'am. 3 are 18. 4. 40. 6 6 are 30. Back 4. Again 4. So what is the remainder here? So point. Back 4. Again 6 6 are 36. Again we'll get 4 only. So again 6. Yes, it continues. So what we have to do? We have to write 3 more. 66 is the answer. Yes. So the middle of these numbers, the middle value of these numbers is which? 36.66. 66. Okay. So like this we have to find the average. We'll take some one more simple example here. See. What you have to use the formula? You have to add and you have to divide. Is 7 and average it is 29. Next one, yes, very good. Yes, you have find out. Now see, next one, C1 you see. First 5 prime numbers. You know, you have learned prime numbers? Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So
One,
prime
five,
numbers,
three,
which
two,
are first
seven,
5 prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. These are first 5 prime numbers. Do you remember?
ma'am, total is 28 and
Okay.
the average
So we
is
have to
7.
find average. Average is equal to sum of prime numbers divided by number of prime numbers. So sum means you have to add these 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what will come here? 28. So when you divide it 28.
One total is 28 and the average is 25.
Okay? Understood now how to do? You have to
Yes,
use
ma'am.
only the formula. Okay? So based on that only you are having all the examples in this exercise. Only you have to use this formula. Yes. Only you have to add those numbers and divide it by the number. Understood how to find average?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So question number 1 and 2 you have to do in textbook only. And 3, 4, 5, 6 in notebook. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, again whichever any example you want to explain from the exercise.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, can you do third one?
Okay, third one. See
Yes,
here.
sir.
If the total rainfall recorded for the month of August. Okay, total rainfall. Now, whenever it rains, they record the total rainfall of the month or of the week. How much rainfall had happened this month or this week. So, like that, the total rainfall recorded for the month of August was 930 mm. So, always the rainfall is measured in mm. Okay, millimeter. Find the average daily rainfall. So we have to find the average of daily. Means one day you have to find every day. So here August month will have how many days?
31 days.
Yes, 31 days. So here, yes, they have already given the total sum they have given. How much total rainfall in a month? Already it is given. Sum is given. That is 930 mm is given already. And they have given the August month. So August has how many days? 31 days. We have to find the daily rainfall measurement. Okay, how much it rains. Now 31 days August has, so number will be 31. Okay, now we have to divide it. Here we have not to add because already total they have given. Total recorded total rainfall, how much it happened, full month. Total is given. So that is sum 930 and this 31. Now we have to divide it. Yes, 31 threes are 31 into 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So 31 threes are is 93. 0 comes down, zeros are. So 30 mm. That means every day, one day 30 mm of rainfall will be recorded. Okay, every day one day's record is 30 mm. Yes. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes,
this
ma'am.
this is about average. Now you know sometime you will have fever if you are not well and all. Yes, whenever you have fever, your body temperature will increase, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
your
What's my
body will
friend?
become hot. And when you
Yes,
are
ma'am.
not having fever, your body temperature will be cold. Means your body will not be hot, it will be cold. Yes? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And in climate also you can see changes. So now your winter season is going on. So in winter season there will be cold. And in summer season hot will be there. Yes. So this cold and hot, what it is, if you measure, now we are doing measurement lesson, so this also comes in measurement only, that if we measure the coldness and hotness of climate of our body, that measurement of coldness and hotness, like we are having measurement of length. Measurement of length is we use meter, kilometer, centimeter. Yes. Measurement of weight, weight what we use, which units, kg. Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, kg,
Yes,
gram
ma'am.
and
Yes,
all.
ma'am.
Like that for volume or capacity for liquids, what we use, liter, milliliter and all. Like that, when we have, if we measure the coldness and hotness of our body, that is it is known as temperature. What it is known as? Temperature. Means temperature is the measurement of hotness and coldness of a body. Okay, measurement is what? Hotness. Yes, temperature is. Okay, wait, mute yourself. Yes, mute yourself first. Listen. The measurement of hotness and coldness of a body is known as temperature. Okay. Now, when you are having fever, you go to doctor. So, doctor will use one instrument to measure that. Yes. Yes. That is a thermometer. So, here we are having. Yes, so this is one type of, there are different types of thermometers which will measure the temperature. So this is digital thermometer. Again, one more type of thermometer will be there. Yes, so by using this thermometer, we can measure how much fever you are having, how much your body is cold or how much your body is hot. Yes, so this is the thermometer which measures the temperature. So to measure the temperature, thermometer is used. Okay, so this is the instrument. Now you understood the temperature and about thermometer.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
so temperature is what? The coolness or hotness. Okay. Now temperature is measured in two units. Like we measure length in many units, meter, kilometer and all. Like that, temperature also is measured in two units. Celsius and Fahrenheit. Yes, Fahrenheit. So, temperature is measured in two units, that is degree Celsius, and Fahrenheit, two scales. Okay. So, now for example, see, when you keep water in the freezer, yes, when you that time when the temperature of that freezer it becomes 0 degree. Celsius. That time your that liquid water it becomes ice. When it becomes ice, when the temperature
When
becomes
the
0 degree less, and when the water starts boiling, you have observed when you keep
when it is 100
yes,
degrees
when it
Celsius.
is 100 degrees Celsius. Like that, here Celsius scales are there. Like that, we are having Fahrenheit scale also. Both are different. So the thermometer, the temperature is measured in two different scales. One is Celsius scale and one is Fahrenheit scale. Okay, two types are there. Now we
Ma'am,
will
this
see.
100 degrees Celsius for which it is?
It is boiling of water, hot. When the water starts boiling, see as soon as you keep on your gas stove, the water doesn't start boiling, no. After some time it starts boiling. That means its temperature changes, temperature of water changes. Like that, when you keep water in a freezer, directly it doesn't become ice. First, the temperature of here in the when it is outside the freezer, the water will be in normal temperature. When you keep in the freezer, it starts becoming cold. After that, its temperature decreases, and when it becomes 0 degree, the ice will be the water will changes to ice. Okay, like that only when a normal water you keep on a gas stove, when its temperature increases, it becomes 100 degree. That time only water starts boiling. Before that, it will not start boiling. Okay, so the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius, and the freezing point is 0 degree Celsius. Okay, these are important things we have to remember. Now, based on this only,
Yes, ma'am.
in metric measurement, we have to see Celsius and Fahrenheit, two types for temperature. So first we will see the in Celsius. In Celsius, 0 degree is freezing point of water. 100 degrees boiling point. Can you tell me what is the normal body temperature of our body temperature? Normally, how much it
30
should be?
degrees Celsius. Ma'am, 30.
Normal is 37. 37 degrees Celsius. This degree Celsius is a symbol. This is a unit. Like we have kilometer, meter, and all like that, you have to write degree Celsius because temperature is measured in this. So our body, normal body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. Okay, and boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius and freezing point is 0 degree. Okay, now in Fahrenheit, in Fahrenheit, freezing point is when the ice starts freezing, when the water starts freezing. In Fahrenheit, it is 32 degree Fahrenheit.
Ma'am, 32.
32. And for boiling, it is 212. And
Ma'am, in Celsius.
in Celsius, it is 0 and 100. And for
Okay, ma'am.
Fahrenheit, it is 32 and 212. And our body temperature is 98.6. Our normal body temperature is 98.6 in Fahrenheit. Okay. So if it goes
Yes,
above
ma'am.
98.6, that means you will be having fever. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the thermometer which I have shown you, that is the clinical, means which doctors use these thermometer. There are again different type of
Mama has.
thermometers. Okay, in that other different type of thermometer, has it will be like this oval shape. Okay, like this it will be, and here middle Scale will be there. Here it will be written the numbers.
Mercury.
And yes,
Mercury.
inside it, one liquid will be there. If the liquid increases, that means the temperature is more. If the liquid decreases, it comes down. That means that means the temperature is less. So that liquid is, which liquid it will be there inside? That is mercury. Mercury inside this.
Mercury.
Just for your knowledge, I am telling you. You should know this. So, in a thermometer, mercury will be there, and when it is inside, it will be liquid. When it comes out, when thermometer, if it breaks, the mercury will come out. No, it will become solid. It changes its state. Okay, this just for your knowledge. I told you. Yes, it reacts with the oxygen present in the air. Okay, so using this concept only, we will see here. You can see the page number 160. There they have asked, we have to read the temperature on the thermometer given and write them in the space provided. See here, you have to see the mercury, the measurement of that mercury, black one it is showing, see. So tell me here, how much that mercury is, where it is showing? 5 degrees Celsius. Yes. So you have to write only there 5 degrees Celsius.
And then
First one is, only you should know how to read it, so it is given. Now next one, where the mercury is
20 degrees Celsius.
Yes. Second one is 20 degrees Celsius. Third, yes, 35. Third one is 85. Yes, very good. 85 degrees Celsius. Next, you see the smaller lines also, where it is exactly 57. Yes, very good. Yes. Next, last one. Yes, 118 degrees Celsius. Yes, yes. Okay, here. Okay. So, understood about this? Okay. So, temperature is measure of hotness and coldness of our body, which will be measured by using thermometer, and it will be measured in degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. Okay, and you should know that 0 degree Celsius is the freezing point of water. These are important things. And 100 degrees Celsius is boiling point of water. And our normal body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. Like that Fahrenheit, 32 degree Fahrenheit, freezing point. 212 is the boiling point of water, and the normal body temperature in Fahrenheit is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so here, yes, so you have to do the word sums, 4 word sums, and exercise 9.4, only 4 sums, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. And next exercise, yes, 9.6 is in textbook only. Okay, so here we complete our lesson.
that I have sending them, but I didn't go.
No, I didn't told to send.
No,
I'm
no.
going to send because I had explained
No,
you.
you
You have to
told how
solve.
much you have said.
You have to solve yourself. I told you have to solve those questions because it was
Ma'am,
addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and word sums. Today I explained you.
ma'am, I did that. Exercise 9.5 that you will send or we should do.
You have to do yourself only.